Vandenberg here at J-Tech. Today we're going to be measuring a couple alignment measurements on a semi-truck. The first one we're going to do is thrust. So we got the string tied off to the frame. Bring it about mid-tire. Drag it, and it's a little lower than mid. Pop it up just one more inch. We're going to follow it all the way to the front. Come down here. Grab a handy dandy measuring tape. Set it out. And then pull it in until the string touches the tire on the front of the back first axle. And you see how close you can get it. And you see that it comes just in 3/4 of an inch. So we got 3/4 of an inch over here. We're gonna pull the string and go to the other side. And back here, got our string all tied up. So we're coming around the middle of the rim again. We're pulling it all the way up to the front. Drop it down here and make sure it touches. Get that loose. Make sure it touches back. See how far we got. Looks about right. Looks like over here we got about just about an inch. So we got 1/4 of an inch. So it appears that we have 1/4 inch of a thrust to the driver's side whenever we tested this, and now we're going to go to the front side and test camber and caster. Camber and caster. Now we're going to measure camber and caster. First one we're going to do is caster. So we're going to take this protractor, we're going to put it on the frame over here. On the frame, we're going to set it there, and we're going to zero it out. Zero her out.
Can you see it?
She's zeroed out.
Alright.
Alright, we're going to take her. Set her here.
Switch her inside.
We're going to set her down here. And set her on the steer axle. And see what angle we get. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's at 0.38. So at 38 degrees. It's going to be 38 degrees towards, so put angles down, so that is positive? Negative. So it's going to be 38 degrees negative caster. You're going to see, come down here, we're going to zero it out on the ground. This is how we're going to measure the camber of the tire. And zero out, make sure she's zero. Come up here. Put it on the rim and see what angle we get. What do we get?
89.3.
We get 89.3. So 89.3, and it's pointing out, so it's going to be positive camber. So that means the top of the tire is sticking out just 0.6, 0.7 degrees out. And so you're going to have the outside wear just a little bit more than the inside.